and eating the seeds while we wait.
I wouldn't eat the seeds. Do you remember when we grew these in the backyard?
Yeah.
Huh? They just kind of came up from when we got at the store.
And it was that one.
No, ours weren't this enormous. This is one of the biggest butternut squashes I think I've ever seen. Yeah, this is not working out. Okay. This is just so huge. Okay. Maybe we'll do it. Does it? I think it's a pretty, it's going to be a pretty tasty one. Okay. You can help me? There we go. Okay, now hand back. Just in case this slips, I don't want you to mix. Okay, now we're doing better. All right. Hard work.
There's the seeds.
It's a lot easier to cut the squash open and bake it. You scoop. Did you get them? It's like digging. Digging in the sandbox.
Like watermelon.
Yeah. There you go. See how we kind of scrape? There you go. Perfect.
Here.
Okay, so I've already oiled this little pan. You could also use a sheet like this. But we are going to put this in the oven on 350.
No.
Yeah. And they're going to roast. And in about 45 minutes. But I don't think this time we're not going to.
I can only keep them all and roast them. I do it.
You could do this with pita, or you could do it with flour tortilla, or you could do it with corn tortilla. Corn tortilla is more traditional. Also, you can use wax paper, but a paper towel will work too. I can just slide through that. And that way my hands don't get all dirty.
Give me the fun part.
Okay, you do the fun part. Now, can you spread those out on the baking sheet? Alright. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to flip them just so they get a little bit of oil on each side. Alright.
The bottom right is more.
Yeah, these are going to get on the top so they get a little crispier sooner. Stand back in case steam comes rushing out. Let's see how these are doing.
Steam hurt me.
I really should have a spatula, but I'm just going to check. These are pretty good. Yeah, they're crispy. All right.
Oh, yes, first.
I'll do it.
I'm trying.
Okay.
I'm not good at this.
Okay. Take them in. Okay. And there you go. Pour it in. Okay. We're gonna add the agave and then look at it. What does it look like? What color? And then I'm gonna add a little bit of water and kind of shake. And I'm gonna pour. No? Okay. Scoop it. This says that we are going to use a quarter cup. This is more like half. Okay, can you add a little salt? It's like a zingy yogurt. Good job. Can you stir it together to make our zingy, limey, salty sauce? Stir it up real good. We want it to be kind of drizzly when we're all done.
And I want some to eat with this sauce.
There we go. Okay. All right. What do you think? Can we add a little bean? Do you want to? Do you want to try yours with bean or without?
No.
Okay, so I'll put beans on mine because I like bean.
How many is there
These are
for?
pretty cool. Burgers.
Two more.
Yeah. I want avocado on mine too. I love avocado. It does. It actually tastes.
Mashed potato.
It actually tastes pretty similar. It's a little bit sweet. I'm gonna do one just like this because I know you like these two ingredients. So, okay, this is your plate. That one's mine. Are we ready to go taste? You know the routine. What are we gonna do? We're gonna talk about what it looks like, right? So, what colors do you see?
Green and yellow and white and orange and brown.
Very good. And what do you think it's going to would taste like? What do you think that this part's going to taste like?
Sweet.
A little bit sweet. What do you think this part's going to taste like?
A little bit sour.
A little bit sour, a little bit salty. Good job. Put